I can't stop! Oh boy. There's nowhere to park. Jeez. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. We're trying to get in here to see if we got a place to park. I may just park here. Alright, looks like we found a place to park. Anyway though, welcome back to another video, and we're riding at Chadwick today, so it's gonna be an awesome time. Got a whole bunch of people here, and we're just gonna go trail riding, try to find some gnarly stuff, some fun stuff, and should be a good video. I'm gonna throw on the GoPro with the mic inside the helmet so you guys will be able to hear me talk, and we're just gonna go trail ride and see what we can find. So let's get right into it. Got the 250 today, and it's gonna be awesome. All right, we're ready, bud. All right. Got a nice hill climb here. Woo! So the ground is a little frozen, but luckily it's mostly just rock, so it doesn't matter too much. But the spots that it's not is slick. And then we got some puddles here. Woo! Sliding the back tire. Going down the sketchiest thing ever. Yeah. Don't touch the ice. I can't stop! Yeah! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna fall. Alright, go for it. Alright, we broke through the ice now, we're good. Woo! Finally made it. Moral of that story is don't go through the ice. Good hill climb there. Probably should have shifted down, but we're on the 250, not the 125, so we don't have to worry about too much shifting. Woo! Sketchy, rutted, downhill, lots of rocks. Jeez. Travis back got sketchy there. This is some gnarly stuff. Looks like we got ourselves another hill climb, boys. You got it. Alright. See if we can hit the old hill climb. Well, Cole, oh! Bike wide open, Cole done messed up. It's a mess.
Hectic. Put a bottleneck down here.
Old Kev's boiling. Are we still going up that way or no? We got some chaos going on there.
I know, dude, this is crazy.
This off camera is a little deceiving because it's like you want to trust it, but once you feel it sliding, it's about game over. This is fun. A little bit of open gravel. With some twist in it, slow it down a bit, and then back into the off camber. Oh, come on. Whoa, yeah. Woohoo! After a little break, we are going again, and got some like tight little saplings kind of going on here now. The ground is finally starting to unfreeze, and now it's starting to get muddy on us. The ice is unfreezing, and then just the moisture in the ground is coming up, but still slick. Just a different kind of slick now. Oh, big flat rock. This single track here is so sick. Woo! Corners all have like perfect kind of little berms in them, and you can just roll around them. Should have tried to double that. Wasn't looking far enough ahead. We are headed back now after a long day of riding. It was awesome. Had an awesome group of us. I think we had like 2 broken chains, but unfortunately didn't get any of it on video. They were behind me when it happened, so didn't get it on video, but we had 2 broken chains and some other stuff that was just kind of crazy, but all in all, awesome day riding. So thank you all for watching the video.